Let's see how let's see how long it takes me to make $8. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna talk it out. Walk the talk. Talk it through. Okay. So I'm looking through here. This is UJ. I can't go big because the movement would be significant. I see this dip here, which is supported here. I see this dip here. That looks like it's very similar to here, but I need to see something substantial in order for me to go long here. It might just go move up and down. Or this little thing right there, what it could do is it'll pop and then come back down. That's what I'm thinking here. That's a common thing that occurs. Here as well, I mean, it was moving around quite a bit. I think it was this candle that caused it to move up and down a lot. Now this one moved up and stayed up. Okay, so the idea, wow, look at that. The idea is to make $8. Can you do it? Okay. The setups are always there. There's always a setup somewhere. Okay. So this seems to be promising. Yeah, see? This is what I was afraid of. Okay, so that's why I had to hold off. All right. So I would say that if I'm going to make $8, I need to make about 4 trades, gaining about $2. Okay, with small size here. All right. So now this is moving sideways. If I get in, I'm expecting that it's going to still go sideways. I need to see some directional component in order for it to enter. Here it's the same thing. I cannot anticipate what's going to happen 5 minutes down where I should be able to do that, but I'm not. It's currently 7:05 a.m. In about 25 minutes, Wall Street will open. Let's see if I can make it $8, okay? The idea is to make $8. All right. Let's see if I can make it $8. Now that looks really nice. This looks really nice, the way it's moving. Oh, that's good too. See how that spike? Okay, I need to make $8. So this is EG, EU, UJ. This is US 30. That's the US 100. This is Russell 2000. Haven't traded this. Wow, you know, I marked this a long time ago. It's hovering right around it. So here we go. That's actually climbing up. Okay. Right here. So that size is okay for this. That size should be okay for that one. That's going up. Now it's going to hit resistance here if it keeps going up. If I were to get in here, that could be up. Ooh, that's showing some promise. See what I say? Drops, pops up, and then drops again. That's how it works. And then if it breaks this support, it's going to go down. It's going to go down further. Now this is inversely correlated somewhat to here, and so that's why this is going up partially. So there's something out there that's causing the movement. These two are inversely correlated. Okay. Look at that, it goes up. It's going up. Whoa. It's possible it's going to drop. So what I would do, after it spikes up above the resistance, could. Well, if I got in here with small size, I would have gotten it. I would have. Now, of course, that means it's going to drop. See that? Inverse correlation? Definite inversely correlated. Definitely. Now it hit here. If it supported here, that would be considered a support area. If it breaks through here, that would be the next support. It's support resistance, essentially. See how that works there? Yes, this is right there. So if I get in here, I could theoretically look at the same. Okay, I'm in, right? So I could so I'm up a little bit. Okay, currently I'm up a little bit, but we'll see. So I can make 8 $1 trades or whatever the case is. Being very, very just relying on my skill set to make the right trades. Okay, so I can sell it at any time. I had to wait for the HFT 15-second rule with this particular prop firm. So I'm trading small here to make good and numerous trades. Okay. So we'll let it run for a little bit to make about $1. Oh, see, there you go. Made $1 right there. Right there. As soon as it hits that, I can just close it. Whoa, maybe it'll get me $2. It's just a small size. Okay, I'll take it. So that's about $1.40. I'm like, now I need 6 more bucks. Okay, of course that means, see, now it's bouncing right here. Okay. So if I had a little more size, that would have been $3. That would have been $3 right there. All right, on to the next trade. On to the next trade. So I need 6 more bucks and I'll reach 0.5% for today. Then I can leave it to tomorrow to get the other 0.5%. So I need, based on here, I need about $6. $6. La 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 la. All right, I'm just waiting to see if I can see right there. Look at that, huh? Look at that. That usually means there's going to be a little pop-up, and then if it's going to drop further, it's going to drop here. It does this kind of thing, right? Or it'll do this, and it'll act like it's going to do this, and it actually go up. So that's why trading is so difficult. Okay, so here we are. Okay. Here. Right here. Right there. See, now it's hovering around here. Okay, so it's right there. And so far I spent about 10 minutes. 10 minutes of trading. 10 minutes of trading. I made approximately $1.45. If I had like 10 times that, that would have been 14 bucks. I would have reached it already if I had sized it right. Even with like 5x that, right? Oh yeah, I would have reached it. Yep. Yep. See what I'm talking about? Drops. Boop, boop, boop. Wow, look at these guys are trending. They're trending. Now this is trending down. This is trending up. This is trending up. Now this is trending down. See it? See what it did? So it dropped, bopped, hit this support again. So it's respecting the support. It respected here, but it didn't respect the first time. So the selling just continued. Selling continued here. We'll see what happens on this push down. We'll see. What I'm seeing is that there's a possibility it's going to bounce from here. There is a possibility that it's going to bounce from here. See, it didn't just go push right through. See, right there, it's bouncing up and down here. Or it just might take a little bit longer. There's a lot of buying going on here, more so than here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. It lasted 8 minutes up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more maybe. Okay. See, all I had to do was just, yeah, all I did is buy and hold this sucker right there, and I would have gotten it. That's all I had to do. Just buy and hold this thing right there. Look at that. Look at the way it's going. All I had to do is not sell and just hold it, and I would have gotten it. See? One, yeah. Yep. See, that keeps going down. You see that? That's what happens. In the past, what I would do is I would look at this and I would get in and I would lose. I would get in and lose. And it never occurred to me. It didn't occur to me for years because I was not looking back. See, now those are going up. See, now that is, look at that. Look at it go. 1, 2. That would have been about $3 then, right there, even with that size. Okay, even with that size, it would have been. Okay, so this one will be half because the movement is humongous. So 13 minutes. 13 minutes to get there. But what I'm trying to do is get 6 more bucks. That's all I'm looking for today. Tomorrow, I'll get the other 0.5%. But today, 6 more bucks. That's all I'm looking for. Wow, that's a nice move right there, huh? Okay, I gotta do some push-ups. If I had like a couple lots here, I would have passed the challenge. Had I known about it, this breakout right there, if I had a couple lots, that would have easily allowed me to pass. See, now this is sort of bouncing off of here. That's a major one. If it fails that, it's going to come back here. But I think that might hold. Maybe. That might just hold. See right there? See, this thing repeats. Repeat, repeat, repeat. So I'm asking myself, so why don't you take advantage of it? Because it could just go up. That's why. Okay. It's right there. 4, 4, 4, 6 more. If I can get about 6 more. If I can get about 6 more. If I can get about 6 more. Oh, this is really nice. I can record and open up YouTube while I'm waiting. That is awesome. That is awesome. See, look at that. See how it moves? So the question is this the same repeat, or how do I know? How do I know that? How do I know that it's actually moving up? So all I have to do is compare. Just compare what happened in the past, you know, and see how it behaves. Right? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So it's right there. You see that? See the way it's moving? So the question is it going to move back up? It's got to hit a higher high of sorts in order to see right there. Okay, so how do I know? See, it's like that. And then that reached there. So it broke that momentum of coming down. So that's one indicator. See right here, even here, started going back up. Down, 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 and then started going back up like that. So you gotta be looking for those. Now this is coming back down, which means that most probably this might be a good time to get in. Right here might be a good time to get in. Right here. Right here. So I'm at the prospects of losing a buck. Okay, it's possible that I'm gonna lose a couple bucks here. If my decision is incorrect, I could lose a couple bucks right here. Right here, I could lose a couple bucks. I could see a red candle that comes down here. It's possible. So maybe I should wait for a pullback. Right here, pullback. That's pulling back here. It's pulling back. So I'm thinking if I get in here, I'm going to pay for it. Most likely I'm going to pay for it if I get in here. Right here. Most likely. So maybe I should wait until it's here. But then again, if it's here, then the chances are it's going to go down more. Those are the things that I need to worry about. Okay, so at the risk of losing, I'm in. So I'm down 29 cents. See, look, right there, see that? I gotta wait for 23, 26. Okay, so see right there? Repeat, 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 and I'm down almost $1. Oh, wow. Could have waited. I could have bought it here, right here, if I was gonna do that. If I was gonna do that, I could have just waited here. Currently 723. Yeah, look at that. That's coming down. That's also coming down. That is coming down. This might be showing like a fish hook kind of a setup, possibly. Now if it tapers like that and then does this, chances are it could go pop. Okay. See, that's coming down too. That's coming down. And because this is inversely correlated, it should be going up. Okay. Did it break the momentum here? Right here. So what I'm trying to do is make 8 good trades, each of them $1 to $1.50. That's the idea. Okay. Okay, it was briefly green. Briefly green. Was. It's possible this has hit the support area too. And it looks like it might have hit support here. So that could be in danger of losing. So let's get in this one. We'll see. See, trying to make like $6 and you could lose $6 or even more. That's down. Look at that. That is causing distress right now. That is about to drop further, it looks like. So currently down $3. 727. The impact from the market open shouldn't be much of a deal here. Shouldn't be much of a deal. Shouldn't be. Oh, look at that. That's why it's down $3. Right here. Premature entry. The size allows me to be patient to a very, very high degree. It allows me to be patient, very, very patient. Look at that. Should have made it smaller. So I suppose I could put it here, but it probably won't get there. Okay. If, however, this size go up here, I could add. Definitely. Okay. Right there. Okay. So the idea is to get to 450 today. Let's see if that'll happen. Currently 7:29. 7:30 in about 45 seconds. 42, 41. Five more seconds. Okay, 30 more seconds. Okay, now UJ is acting up as well. Gina, that might be impacted by the market open. Okay. Okay, market is open. Market is open. See the way it's moving? Look at that. Market is open. Look at the way it's moving. So that's still at a low. So that's moving. That's the US 30. That's the US 100. That's the Russell 2000. That's moving. Losing 5 instead of making a dollar. I'm losing 5 right now. Yeah, I'm still down fourth for 460. See how it's coming down right there. Still watching this. Still watching. I'm in these two. That looks promising. That does look promising. Now I can go for a bigger size if I want to. If it's truly moving up, I can get the bigger size. Let's go to bigger size. Let's see. I got into a bigger size now. I got into a slightly bigger size and looking forward to that thing to keep going up. Let's see if it works that way. Currently at about 31.42. Okay, 20 seconds. So if this turns positive, I can sell. HFT rule, high frequency trading rule. So I'm banking on the fact that that is strength. I'm looking at strength. I'm playing on the trend and strength. Now that is going the wrong direction. What's going the wrong direction? Okay, maybe this will make it up. Hopefully. That's a quarter lot right there. That's why there's $4 loss. If that thing goes up to here, it would be great. Would be great. That quarter lot purchase looks like it's a mistake right there. Look at that. That happens quite often. My point is just to scalp. That right there was I thought it was a strong reversal, but it turned out not to be. Okay. Oh, look at that. Bitcoin jumped like $4 since open. 4,000 bucks since opening. Ooh. Right here. If it gets above here, it's a good time to buy. Okay, right here. Now that's turning out to be a horrible trade. Definitely. I was trying to make a $6. I'm losing 12. That trade should never happen. If this looks favorable, I'm getting in. It's got to cross over this line and hold. It's got to hold. In order for the trend to continue, it's got to stay above and hold. So that trade was really not... I've seen this before. See, it's got to hold. If it doesn't hold, the trend is not about to resume. Okay, the idea is to get to 450. I need to make $20, so that has to be plus 7. That has to be plus 7 right there. That needs to turn into plus 7. You know what? This is responding quite nicely. That's why you want to use small size. question is, will it be able to get up from here to there? That's the question. Small size, all the way from here to here. It allows that. Okay. "40 minutes into the trade." Let's go to false breakout. One good thing is that it stopped moving down. It attempted to do that. Now it's a little bit weak here. It's a bit weak. It's in a trading range here. Trading range. I reached the trading range here. From here. Okay, so this must be doing well. Yeah, look at that. It was about to break out here. It starts breaking out. Could have bought it here. If it just holds, that's a good sign. If that thing, oh, it held. It held that level. So I suppose I can get into it. But let's see if it can get up there by itself and I can re-enter. Let's see. Initially, I was going to go with half a lot, but we'll allow the trade to manifest. Okay. Look at it from this perspective. See, that's doing good. I should have traded that instead of this. Currently down 10. This becomes 16. That'd be nice. 6. It becomes 6. That'd be nice. Plus 6. Most likely it's going to be held here. That's where the resistance is going to be. See now, here we go. We're looking for 6. 56 would be nice too. 56. 56 would be nice. This has to outpace this. EG must outpace UJ. Oh, see, that should have been the right one. I would have got it a long time ago. Could have added here. This I knew not to. See? Almost. Almost. Getting there. It'll turn positive. Oh, turn positive. Turn positive. Now make this a 6. There we go. That can only happen if this thing keeps going up. And this holds where it should be. Oh, 2. 4 more. 4 more. I'm ready to click on it. Ready to click on it. That was definitely the right choice. I'm ready to click on it. That's going to be plus 6. Oh, plus 3. Plus 4. Plus 4. Plus 5. Come on. Okay, one more. This trade should have been on this trade. I would have got it a long time ago. Now, if I keep doing this, use the similar ratio of sizes for the 100K, 200K, $500,000. It'll do the same thing, exactly the same result. Okay. It's 48 minutes into the trading session, recorded trading session. I'm still looking for that 6. I'm still looking for it. I'm still, well, I got there, didn't I? I did get there. It was there, right there at that peak, right there. Right there, you see that? Right there. That was it, right there. So I did reach it. See, I did reach it. Let's see if it's got more. Does it get more? Okay, just gonna turn 10. Nope. It's showing this. Okay, I'll take that one. And I'll take that one. So I got it. See, right there. I reached it. I reached my goal. Okay, it's 4:52. I need 48 more tonight and tomorrow then I will pass this phase 2. Okay, it's 49 minutes into the trading session, so I made approximately $8 in 1 hour. But if I do 100K, that's $80 an hour. But if I do 200K, that's $160 an hour. Does that make sense? Make sense?